Here we've got a quick video to remind us all about factors and multiples, which we have been learning about this week in school. So I have a multiplication sum, 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 and 3 are factors of 21, because if I count in my 7 times tables, I will get to 21, or if I count in my 3 times tables, I will get to 21. So they are both factors of 21. Factors are any number that I can times with another one to get a whole number. Now 21 is a multiple of 3, and it is also a multiple of 7 because it is the product of two factors. To help us work out our factors, in class we've been drawing factor rainbows. So if I have 36 and I want to know all my factors of 36, I would do something like this. Now we've learned to start with 1 because it's at the beginning and it's always a factor. So what do I need to times 1 by to get to 36? I'm going to have to times it by 36, so that goes on my other side. Okay, now my next number systematically to look at would be number 2. Can I times number 2 by something to get to me to 36? I know I can straight away because it is an even number. It ends in a 6, so therefore 2 is going to be a factor, and I will need to multiply it by 18. So 18 is also a factor. Now, my next number I'm going to look at is my 3. Is 3 a number that I can multiply by something to get to 36? Yes, I can. So 3 is a factor. Now I would need to multiply it by 12. 12 goes on this side. 12 is a factor. Can I multiply a number by 4 to get to 36? Yep, I know 4 times 9 is 36. Now, my next number would be 5. Is 5 a number that I can multiply by something to get me to 36? 36 ends up in a 6, so I know straight away it is not in my 5 times tables because all my numbers in 5s in my 5 times tables end in either a 0 or a 5. So I leave that number out. It is not a factor. The next number to look at would be 6. I can multiply 6 by a certain number to get me to 36, and I would multiply it by 6. Now there I'm starting to repeat, so if I'm going to carry on, the next number would be 9, and I'd times that by 4. But because I've already got them, we stop there. And they are all my factors of 36. There might be times I'm asked to find common factors of two numbers. So here I've got a question, find the common factors of 12 and 15. So I start off by doing my factor rainbows for 12. So my first, I'm going to have 1 times 12. Can I times it by 2 to get to 12? Yeah, 2 times 6. Can I times it by 3? Yep, 3 times 4. My next number would be 4, but look, I've already got 4 over here, so I stop there. Okay, so they're all my factors of 12. Then I'd go back to look at 15. 1 times by something 15. I'm going to have that. Is it in my 2s? No, it's an odd number. Can I times 3 by something to get to 15? Yep. 3 times 5. Can I times it by 4? No. Can I times it by 5? Yes, but I've already got it there, so I stop there. So they're all my factors for 12 and 15. But if I'm asked to find the common factors, I'm looking for the numbers that both of these have in common. They've both got a 1. They've both got a 3. And that is it. So my answer would be the common factors of 12 and 15 are 1, oops, that's a very thick pen, 1, you can't see that, 1 and 3.